I will show you how to read a ruler or a tape measure in centimeters. Measuring in centimeters is important because it allows for more accurate and consistent measurements when dealing with small or precise quantities. I will demonstrate by drawing a rectangle representing a centimeter. Let's divide the rectangle into 10 sections. Each section represents a millimeter, which equals 0.1 centimeters. The large marking in the middle of a centimeter represents 0.5 centimeters, which equals 5 millimeters. As you can see, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. This is a special tape measure with centimeters. As you can see, each centimeter has 2 different markings. The large marking, which represents 1/2 of a centimeter, and the small markings, which represents 1/10 of a centimeter. So let's do an example. Let's measure 7.9 centimeters. We will use our tape measure here to measure the line. We know that the measurement will be between 7 and 8 centimeters. If 1/10 of a centimeter equals 1 millimeter, then that means 0.9 centimeters will equal 9 millimeters. Therefore, the line will measure up to here. And that's how you read a ruler or a tape measure in centimeters.